Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Latifah Ramadhani from Psych. Now I want to talk about Stola. The Stola was the basic garment worn by women during the years of the Byzantine Empire. The Stola was a long dress, so a long broad side from the hem at the bottom all the way the arms. The stola was usually worn with a belt placed just below the bust line, typically made linen or the linen wool. The stola also could be made of silk, a fabric preferred by the very wealthy. Like many Byzantine garments, the stola was based on the women's stola worn in the Roman Empire. It is all I can see. Thanks for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.